Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. It is sunshine in here. We are back into the upper 90s, close to 100, and it's a little humid. But other than that, we're doing okay. I hope you all are okay. I know we had the Francis that came through last week, I believe, and I hope all of you are doing okay after that storm come through. Today I have my Walmart beauty box that comes once a quarter, and I can't wait to see what's in this box. So let's take a peek. What version did you get? I think they have up to 12 or 15 versions. I usually get a chance to see maybe 5 or 6 different versions during the course of this, based on who I know as far as the channels that I watch and that get this box. But we always get a beauty box. This is the Fall for Beauty Walmart beauty box. And inside here, we're going to have all the items that we could possibly receive. And sometimes there's a surprise. And I don't know if they mentioned that on here, but if for some reason they sell out of something, then you might get a replacement. But these are the items, and the Walmart beauty box is only $6.98 plus tax. It's free shipping, and it's once a quarter, so you get to try out some nice products. Sometimes they can be full size or a deluxe size. Many of them are samples, but like I said, it's enough for you to be able to try it out. Now, let's see what I got. Before I tell you what version, let's see if you got the same thing I did. Well, the first thing I'm seeing is some Nautica Blue. Now, is that on this list? I think Nautica Blue, is that for men? This is a Nautica Blue Adept Toilette Spray. It says a full size is $26.74. But I'm thinking Nautica is for men. Is that right? Or am I just thinking the wrong thing? I'm going to have a little smell of it. I will say I like it. Oh yeah, that smells good. I'm thinking I used to buy this for my son. Yeah, it's got a nice scent to it. Whoops. Something just fell off of here. Whoa. Oh, okay. I guess it was a spray and I didn't know it. And something, maybe the rubber band or something, just fell off. Oh, well, that's what happens when you don't know how to use things. And it wouldn't be Miss Jackie if I wasn't messing up something somewhere, somehow. I'm telling you guys, I'm not very tech. I'll say that for sure. The next item that I have in my box is this, and this is the Kristen ES Reconstructive Moisture Mask. Oh, that sounds good. Now, a full size of this would be $14.97, 6.7 ounces. And this is a small sample of 0.09 fluid ounces. So it's a good size. Let's see if it's, yeah, it is sealed. So I'm going to leave it sealed for now. But so far I've gotten 2 things that are really good in this box. So let's see. My next item, I'm seeing some samples here, like the kind that you get for maybe, is this shampoo? It says shampoo, conditioner, and Lock the Look styling cream for flyaways. Well, that sounds cool. This is the Loo Control Shampoo, Conditioner, and Lock the Lock Styling Cream. Full size is $12.97. So does that mean the full size you can get all 3 for $12.97? Or is it $12.97 per bottle? It says 8 to 12 ounces, 8 ounces to 12 ounces. So I'm not sure, but that sounds good. I've not ever used this. It says Impossible Keratin Conditioner and Shampoo. Well, I just will have to try that out. Have any of you tried this brand out? I've never heard of it. Let's see what my next item is. It looks like I have an Olive Olay. This is an Olive Olay Cleansing Melt Vitamin C. A full size would be $9.88. And let's see. It just says a daily facial cleanser that transforms the look and feel of the skin without stripping it. Water activated cleansing pads activate into a rich lather to clean, tone, and refresh. Well, that sounds interesting. Olive Olay is a good company. Before, when I was buying stuff when I couldn't afford to buy some of this other items, I would buy oil of Olay. So there, you can see right there, it's like a little package, and I don't know how many we get, but I see several in there. And I don't know if it tells us. It's a 3-in-1 cleanse, if you want to snapshot that if you're interested in knowing more about it. But it sounds really good. Oh, there's 4 in there, so that's how many we get. And I like the fact that it has vitamin C and that it cleanses your face. So, and that, this would be great to carry with you somewhere because it's not even lickable until it gets wet. So that's kind of a nice thing. So, all right, well, I think that was a plus. Okay, let's see what else I have here. Looks like I have some Degree travel size dry spray antiperspirant deodorant in Sexy Intrigue. This is what it looks like. A full size of this is $6.12, 3.8 ounce, and you can get it, of course, at Walmart. And it protects from sweat and odor up to 72 hours with scents of jasmine, red rose, Tahitian vanilla, and spicy amber. Well, that sounds interesting. Should I try it? Whoops! Looky there. See, I'm just breaking stuff left and right that has a cap on it. We'll just try it on right now. I don't know that I've ever tried on an antiperspirant on YouTube. Oh, but there you go. We just tried it on. Now, I can smell those scents, and it felt kind of cool, when it was hitting my underarms. But, yeah, it says it's advanced 72 hours, and since we're having this hot weather again, I guess I'll get to find out and test it out. Okay, the next item that I have, and the last item in my box, and I'm real happy about this, is I got the NYX Professional Makeup Duck Plumping Lip Gloss. A full size is $12.97. So guys, the good thing about these kind of products is that if they work, they're about half the price of, like, say, Too Faced or Buxom. So, I mean, because it said a full size is $12.97, and most of all of those run $25 or more. But I'm going to try it out now. I was hoping, I had seen Kim, from hanging out with Kim, I had seen her open her box, and I think she said she wished she would have got this. Now, I don't know. I think that's what she said, and I thought, oh, I hope I get that. She had version 7. Oh, do you want to know what version I have? I have version 5. Right there. I've got the version 5. So if you're wanting version 5, it looks like a pretty good one. This is the doe foot, and I'm going to make it pink, I guess, because I got pink lipstick on. But I want to try this out. Because if it works good for me, then I might could just run down to Walmart or go to walmart.com and get it right off of there. It's got a real buzz to it. You know how you feel that, like, minty? It's not minty, kind of like a peppery feel, like it's hot, spicy. It says it's Makeup Duck Plump. And I can feel it, man, so maybe it's going to plump them lips up. What is that old song? Let's plump you up. But it really was let's pump you up. That would be like for exercising. Yeah, I used to do that. I used to do exercise classes, and we'd do step aerobics. And that was fun. I really liked step aerobics. Did any of y'all do step aerobics when it was a big thing? Okay, what are my favorite items? Well, for my son, I think I'm going to like Nautica for him. I'm going to let him have this sample. I'm going to say this is my favorite item, and I'm going to say the moisture mask is going to be my other favorite. And I'm looking forward to trying out these Oil of Olay melts. So, but my absolute favorite is going to be the lip gloss and the moisture mask. I look forward to trying this out, and then this smelled fine. And, I guess it's going to work fine. We got it sprayed on anyways. But hey guys, that's my box. That's my Walmart version 5. So let me know what you think, and let me know what your favorite is. And be sure and check my description for the Dollar Tree train. It's still out there. 14 channels, 14 chances to win. And we have some great channels on board. We have Mary Catherine Loves Cats. We have Reviews with Sue. We have Favorites with Laura. Tracy and Chloe unboxing and more. We have Nona's here. We have Blessed GMP. We have Katie's Corner of the World. We have Hauling It with Meemaw. We have Life with Christine. We have Things with Arlene. We have Lori's Live. And we have Faye Blatcher and Single Mom Review. So be sure and check out all these ladies. The videos are about 15 minutes or less. You can go through them. You got till Saturday or the Sunday, the 22nd. We'll start announcing winners. And guys, this plumper is still plumping, so I really like it. But as for today and the Walmart beauty box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.